Unveiling the genius of William Harvey, a revolutionary scientist. The reign of science has witnessed numerous remarkable individuals throughout history whose discoveries have reshaped our understanding of the world. Among the brilliant minds, one name stands out: William Harvey. This great scientist, whose groundbreaking work on the circulatory system forever altered the course of medical knowledge, deserves our unwavering admiration and recognition. In this blog, we delve into the life, achievements, and lasting impact of William Harvey, illuminating the remarkable contributions that cemented his place in scientific history. Born in England in 1578, William Harvey hailed from a family with a rich tradition in medicine. He commenced his education at the King's School in Canterbury and later enrolled at Gonville and Caius College, Cambridge, to study natural physiotherapy and medicine. Harvey's insatiable curiosity and dedication to learning laid the foundation of his illustrious career. Harvey's greatest accomplishment lies in his groundbreaking work on the circulatory system. His meticulous observations conducted through dissections and vivisections challenged prevailing beliefs and ul- ultimately led to a paradigm shift in the medical world. Harvey meticulously documented his findings and published his seminal work, an anatomical exercise on the motion of the heart and blood in animals, in 1628. Harvey's revolutionary theory. His revolution, in his revolutionary treatise, Harvey presented compelling evidence to support his theory on the circulation of blood. Contrary to popular belief at the time, he demonstrated that blood circulates through a closed system propelled by the beating of the heart. Harvey meticulously explained the mechanism of the heart's contraction, the role of valves, and the circulation of blood in arteries and veins. This breakthrough discovery laid the foundation for modern physiology and forever transformed our understanding of the human body. William Harvey's discoveries reverberated throughout the scientific community, challenging established beliefs and opening new avenues for research. His work not only revolutionized the field of medicine but also had far reaching implications in areas such as physiology, pharmacology, and cardiology. Harvey's theory formed the basis for subsequent breakthroughs in cardiovascular medicine and paved the way of advancements in surgical techniques, diagnosis, and treatment of circulatory disorders. Beyond his scientific contributions, Harvey's legacy encompasses his role as a respected educator and physician. As a physician to King James I and King Charles I, he offered invaluable medical advice, enhancing the field of clinical medicine and establishing his reputation as a trusted expert. Harvey's commitment to teaching and sharing knowledge further solidified his standing as a revered figure in the scientific community. William Harvey's insatiable curiosity, meticulous observations, and groundbreaking discoveries have earned him a prominent place among the greatest scientists in history. His work on the circulatory system revolutionized the field of medicine and left an indelible mark on our understanding of human physiology. Harvey's contributions continue to shape modern medicine and inspire further future generations of scientists to push the boundaries of knowledge. As we celebrate the genius of William Harvey, we are reminded of the transformative power of scientific inquiry and the profound impact it can have of human life.